Lotus.
Hello guys, this is very interesting. Can I pegang? Boleh? Macam cute.
Oh, boleh.
Boleh nak?
So, today kami amat pula first episode of our podcast.
We bought a mic just for this.
First,
Okay, go Nudge.
so we bought like a few stuff. This one is Nadia. Betul?
Cappuccino.
Capybara.
The beans I pick Lydia.
Dia yang si quarter nak.
Si quarter.
Okay. Mine is this scary nangganya banyak macam gelap macam ni.
Rasa yang kau banyak kopi lah. Ataupun yang kau banyak the
Salted caramel with outside milk. Caramel lah.
Sumpah.
Doh. Sabar jap.
Bird
cheese.
Oh,
cake.
they have new packaging.
Susik nampak nak.
Oh, it's so cute baru.
Nah, kira KFC. Sumpah penuh hari nyangka. Actually, I don't really like drink coffee lah sebab macam like more of a tea person. Macam caji.
If me, I like anything yang bitter. Macam
Bittersweet.
coffee, matcha,
Fresh milk pergi ke oat
outside,
milk.
oat milk.
Coffee yang kami minum is the baby chino.
Babycino.
Dia pun baby chino bukannya.
Tapi baby chino bukan coffee. Yang susu je. Okay, dulu Tosi dulu. Asyik minum matcha. I don't like matcha back then. So, I tried matcha. Matcha biasa je. Macam with sugar and everything. And then yang macam nyaman. Macam start nyaman. Faham sih? Macam ada bitterness. Ada nyaman tak sih? And then I started to drink matcha without sugar. It's so good. Nyaman tak sih? I faham.
Tak macam dah start hujan. Actually, we wanted to macam our first episode to be like friendship stuff lah. So before that, sumpah kena presentation dah.
I'm Nadia Nadira. My metric number is
My name is Nadia. My metric is what? So basically, we wanted to cerita pasal friendship lah. Go into like a deeper how to say
deep into this topic.
Deep into the topic. We wanted to share with you all how our friendship actually started. Okay, so macam very this is a very cliche type of like friendship lah. Sebenarnya we both were the same course mate daripada first semester. First year. But then we rarely like talk to each other. We were once together in like a group of our course.
It's for our assignment.
Subject lah, assignment lah. But then kita selalu cakap
we never like talk to each other.
We never, but we did text, and we did the first time we met dekat Petari.
Yeah. Because we were assigned like the same task.
So kita dua edit dengan videographer. So that time I was like very happy, actually, because I got to work with you. But then I was like macam okay lah, maybe just macam it's a one time thing. Actually when I first join macam masuk Unimas, I don't really have a friend. Macam because most of my friends going back to UiTM for penerapan, but then I didn't get in. So
oh really? I didn't know that story.
I cannot.
I thought you really want Unimas.
No, actually I applied for the penerapan, but then I got rejected twice.
You wanted what?
Forensic chemistry, but tapi ada hikmah lah. Mungkin ada sebab why I cannot join Syah because mama pun always macam doa dapat kasih tok macam lah. So then I go to Unimas, and then actually the first time I saw her was at dalam kelas BI, I think we both in the same class. Then I saw in the ILIP because dalam ILIP ada nama
like student
list of student. So I macam oh my god, this girl is like so pretty, like macam memang cantik But then I was like I'm very my how to say I'm the type yang macam if I see a pretty girl, I tend to jadi macam takut mau approach because macam pretty girls macam Ni apa
Takut-
lagi kita rasa
Yeah,
intimidated.
yeah,
Faham sih?
yeah.
Macam, oh, Datuk confirm macam hot girl.
Oh,
like macam,
mean girls.
saya akan mau kawan apa semua.
Mm-mm.
Because when I first macam masuk kelas nak, I look like a very like a nerdy. Kan?
You look like a hot girl too actually. You look like a person that takut je nak approach
Dia
actually.
macam like a nerdy macam. Plus you said dah kawan, so you said dah geng.
Mm.
Well, Nadia actually has a friend because they're from Asahi.
Mm.
So, long story short, we both started to be friends last year. This year.
Yeah, it is this year.
This year. Ya pun sebab may orang start to jumpa dekat spring masa ya. That was the first.
I was with my dad
Mm-mm.
and she was with her
Mama.
mother.
So masa ya macam ni tangan Nadia. So macam negara jauh. And then Nadia was like, Najwa! Like that. So macam dalam hati masa ya sumpah nang kedak macam oh my god, Nadia tegur aku. Me? Najwa? Like for real? So macam ni bila ompan cantik nak. Bila ompan cantik nak. Tegur kita akan rasa macam oh, kau nak dengan aku kah? Macam kau dengan aku kah? Kau akan just because kau nangkat macam ni lah.
But I was genuinely excited at the time.
Sumpahnya peluk mas saya. I was like macam boleh di mute lupa mic kuat. And then she said like, macam oh ada benda nak tanya dengan kita je macam ni. And then I was like macam balik rumah I terus take my other phone untuk like text.
Tapi it took you like a while je to text.
Because I just got back home.
Okay.
Sebab macam nak text pun rasa macam hesitate lah.
Faham. Okay, anyways. And then we started talking because of I don't know if you perasan right. Masa after the MPU right, ada je like mat tegur kita. Macam hi Najwa. Ada je. Tapi I think I stopped tegur you because because of that lah.
I
Tapi
think
there's no like nothing yang macam
about me lah. Yang macam
something about
because
you.
it's because of my
You get it,
Yeah,
you
because
get it.
if you know, you know. So macam okay je nak tegur sebenarnya waktu ya kan. Tapi because of kita nangga waktu itu
I
macam
feel like it's okay.
Betul pun just macam rasa macam takut. Your friends. Macam ni lah. Faham sih perasaan bila macam kita I used to like macam I have like lots of like trial friends kan.
Yeah, boleh.
Trial friendship
Trial
lah.
error.
Waktu first sem I got my friend second sem first year. Then I stick with them until now lah. Minangannya lah. Up until now. But then honestly I really did try to approach Nadia, but then I'm like very scared lah. Yeah, sebenarnya.
If me like my group of friends, like some of them I kenal from Asasi, tapi we were never close during Asasi, and then we started getting close towards Sigrin, tak lah.
Yalah, macam like a gang. But kita memang rapat dengan
Ika.
Ika.
We were in the same class.
Usually dulu pun I saw her, I usually nangka live di CCTV. Honestly lah. So
Yeah, selalu kah?
Selalu masuk FYP macam
You see.
Sumpah. Selalu masuk FYP macam nangka lah.
Oh, she's on live.
Macam ni lah. Tapi CCTV je lah nangka dia luar sebab si Wani nak masuk.
Kena Edna.
Benar sih. Nangka dia luar je. Memang nangka dia luar lah. Because jelas lah si Wani macam lah. So actually about
It's okay, we can go on live together now.
Thinking about fikir balik lah. Actually the people that come in my life lah so far people actually lesson. Some people are like macam were destined to actually stay.
Some yeah, true. I don't know if you know this lah. Okay, this is my kan kita tanya Mek ada kawan lain selain like the one my course mate. I have this one friend. We were friends since Asasi, the beginning of Asasi. She was the only friend yang I ada at the time. Adalah another friend, tapi this one friend yang macam
Sentiasa
nang like sentiasa ada dengan me. Masa cuti like 1 monthnya like she went to here. Walaupun dia dah balik orang and then she always like she ada datang here to come to my kakak pun wedding.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
cute.
and then I pernah pergi Sia je like pergi Sinun just to visit her lah, macam spend time with her there. And then ever since like this one incident between me and another person that is not in my life anymore,
affected because of
sort of lah, because like macam we were in two different ways dah. But there's never a bad blood with her. There's not a single bad blood with her. Macam there's no macam a single thing that can pinpoint apa jadi between us. But if in any way Nyamok run to me right now, I would gladly sebab there's not a single bad thing that I could say about her. Sekali pun saya dah. Because I really like her. Kalau macam contoh lah, right, if I think about it, right, if I think about her too much, I could cry, you know, because it's so
tiba-tiba, so sudden.
It's so sudden.
And then nya pun bukan pasal kita orang naiknya.
There's nothing macam toxic. There's no toxic friendship. There's no anything like that. Tapi it ended. Macam we drifted apart lah, in a way. This is so bad.
Betul lah, faham Cak. I also have that kind of situation lah. But then kita still contact dengan dia dah.
No, there's no nang completely
nang cik lagi lah. Completely distant. So as for me, dia knows this story. I used to have a friend that very close to me that I see her as a sister actually. Very very close lah. Macam close to a point where kita orang akan rasa macam you didn't still.
Yeah.
This happens like a few months ago, I think, waktu cuti semester. So like dia macam cik dah angin, cik dah ribut, cik dah apa. Just like macam tiba-tiba drifted lah, because he tried to love me but he couldn't give the love that I pour to her. Nya hope that kami dapat jumpa orang yang akan beri kasih sayang macam ni I give to her. Macam lah. So macam how to say, macam we actually ada lah macam like a few time misunderstanding apa semua, but then we go back to each other. Like memang go back to each other. Memang saya akan macam nang saya dah kaya kah salah apa kah salah faham pun, in the end we go back to each other. But wala rasa macam it's quite sad.
It is sad.
It's sad lah. Macam I keep on relapsing. Like sumpah selalu relapse. Even sampai kini ito pun kami still rasa macam okay, anyone could actually leave me any second. Like
it's getting like macam at this point macam trauma
lah. Macam lah. That's why lah when kami rasa macam if I have a friend, I'm very scared that when I love them too much, it's too much that they cannot handle, so they just go.
I think you just, in a way, you just met the wrong person lah. And I'm not saying like,
yeah, that's what I said just now. So if in friendship, not friendship lah, generally a person can be
your lesson,
a lesson, or someone that is very
someone that could change your life lah.
Could change your life lah. I really thought she could change my life because whenever I'm with her, I'm a new person. I learn every day with her. Every time I'm with her, it makes me feel like I'm a grown woman each day. So learn about me more because I want to be like her. It's not that I want to copy her, but I want to be like her. I make her as a role model lah sebenarnya.
That's a good thing lah actually.
Actually, I see her as a sister lah. It's more like a sister. So now she confronted macam, okay, we just have to end this. We just cannot.
It won't happen.
Macam siapa.
And then the friendship ended that way.
Sampai like no socials or whatsoever and stuff. Kadang-kadang lah, we tend to think that kita being okay being alone, but actually no, we need someone in our life. Actually kadang-kadang kita perlukan kawan, kawan to actually talk. Partner memang yes, but
we need friends too. Also, I think friendship breakup is so much worse than relationship breakup.
That's true lah. I have a lot, like lots and lots of friendship breakup. Could be. I might be the problem. Could be. Kadang-kadang kita si perasan yang kita salah. Tapi we can learn from it. So that's why I said I try to learn each day. Whether
You constantly have to change
you know
yourself.
lah, I have to like every day. I have to rasa macam whenever I'm like with her nak, I selalu macam, oh, did I salah pada? Did I salah kelakar? Did I offended her? Did I make her feel bad? Something like that. Every day, every time we went out. Because I rasa macam
You cannot keep your guard down.
dia macam sentiasa rasa berhati-hati whenever dengannya, because I'm scared that I might lose her, but in the end still hilang.
Hilang juga.
In the end hilang je.
Thing to learn from.
Thing is nak, kadang-kadang betul lah orang pada macam kadang-kadang
Orang
orang yang benar orang yang macam datang hidup kita tu, and then nya pergi the right time, and then one thing about it is that the day that I met Nadia was a week, like a few days, I think a few days after I got ditched. Like for real, terus jumpa Nadia, and then we talk ever since.
Yeah, we
Up
talk ever
until-
since.
and up until now we talk about, walaupun kami dah macam decided to go to the gym, tapi memang asyik pergi, but still
We didn't. We're giving you 10,000 excuses as to why we're not.
but we haven't stopped ever since nak.
We haven't
But
stopped.
honestly lah, if I could be honest lah, macam actually kami pun macam kes kita baru nak, I also macam still scared, you know.
Oh, faham?
macam still-
Faham.
So macam still masa-masa, did I annoy her? That's why I said, because of that one friendship, it's gonna make me question
Everything.
everything,
Every other
like,
friendship.
every other friendship. But did I offend? You know, even with my closest friend now, even dengan kami every day akan tanya myself, did I offended them?
Faham.
Did I love them too much?
Faham.
Even though macam a slight changes in their macam behavior, tone, even though benda yang biasa je dulu sebenarnya, like very biasa, tapi apalah kami jadi takut.
Faham.
So I keep on ask them macam, kami dah pula salah kah macam kita, if kita orang tinggal kami pada awal, jangan macam
jangan
tiba-tiba
tiba-tiba.
macam just tell me what did I do wrong so I can fix. Jangan putuskan that friendship macam ni lah. Tapi if I care about that person, I'm gonna try my best, like I go hell and back untuk fix that friendship, untuk fix that friendship. But if I don't care about that friendship, macam kau mau cut off.
Yeah.
Even me, I can cut off as many as I want. If orang yang si penting lah hidup kami.
Benar. Dia baru dia. Saya belum fikir tau.
Okay, actually kami dengan Nadia, it's more like me as a yapper macam lah.
I'm a listener.
Nadia is a listener. I was at home lah masa Nadia texted me, and then Nadia said macam, Nadia, dah kah bilik kah? So I asked, college ke rumah? So I asked her, college ke rumah? And then dia macam, college lah. Because dia macam,
Dia tanya, kena work kah? Dia macam, no.
You know actually why I asked about work kan, macam, okay lah, just jangan sekejap hati lah.
Don't worry.
I asked her because I felt like macam
We're like work friends.
macam it's not macam tu. Macam okay, maybe nya texted. I don't want to get my hopes up. Macam I asked Anna macam, Nadia tak punya mana-mana orang yang kami. Dia macam time yang clingy. Like I have anxious attachment and then clingy nak mampus. Sumpah, clingy gila. So macam kadang-kadang rasa macam, if bukan si ada si text macam, if si jumpa yang malah rasa macam anxious.
I
Macam
faham.
lah.
And then I wouldn't say I'm complete opposite. Kami pun clingy sebenarnya. Tapi kami jenis yang jarang text orang. Kami jumpa orang.
That's why lah nanya ya, boleh pergi bilik cik because mau datang bilik macam ni. And malamnya we talk like macam si
Like hours.
Dah pukul 2 pagi, pukul 10, and then balik kau 12 lebih. Her birthday, she don't actually tell me, you know, macam I didn't know that the next day was like her birthday. So I actually macam macamnya pada kami nak keluar, tapi ni si buat padah, hanya sebab padah why-nya keluar, hanya just padah macam kami mau keluar. And then dia macam sana nak ada kita dia si padah punya nak keluar macam kena. Tomorrow is like my birthday, so I have to keluar with my family. I keluar dengan my family wadahnya. So I macam her birthday, so I went out and then I got her
It's so cute.
matcha cake. Matcha cake because she like
And
matcha.
gift. And then she didn't even tell me because dia dah kami tidur the whole day. She didn't sleep the whole day. Dia keluar. Dah lah dia keluar.
That's the thing lah. Macam because I really appreciate this friendship and I really want it to last. So macam to like giving presents or apa. No, it's just to see that I actually macam sayang this friendship.
I want this. Even if you don't buy stuff pun, I still get it. You know, you have that.
Macam oh ya kah?
Yeah.
Sumpah nampak.
Ya, nampak.
See, macam kami sekolah pun dapat angkau.
Ya kau.
If kami contoh macam contoh lah. Like, if ada something yang macam apalah yang macam triggered kami I can be macam
like mood nampak
bukan mood lah yang macam muka
facial expression.
Kakak okay bermuka yang macam
nampak.
Pernah sekali lah waktu ya kami orang pergi keluar me and my friends lah.
Like mega.
What is your like macam
What is
okay, that's it. That's my limit. So I cannot
in what
in friendship.
in friendship? Nothing actually.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think I have a breaking point. Oh wait, actually I do. If you're a liar,
Really?
I really don't like a liar. It doesn't matter like friendship or like relationship. I don't
Tapi
like when
betul lah.
people lie.
Nadia is the type yang macam yang really care about heart. It comes from heart.
Yeah.
Macam ya.
It doesn't matter if like you anything lah. Just don't lie to me. I don't mind if benda yang macam macam ni pun you need to tell me. It's better to not lie lah.
Tiba-tiba pola macam ni lah something like that.
I won't like be upset. Like I will faham. Even if benda yang kita padah ya macam menyakitkan or whatever lah. I don't think I will get like mad at you. I don't think I will get macam
Nampak sih macam baik memang baik teh. Faham sih macam besar dah benda yang boleh triggernya something like that lah.
Especially if people lie to me.
Bila kami punya dulu, I need to always not saying that I cannot be myself, but I really have to
Think of her dulu.
think of me. Okay, I have a friend. I friend with Nadia, okay? And then Nadia kawan lain. And macam like a one circle. But then I told Nadia I don't like that kawannya ya, but I give her a valid reason. Yeah, still
Be friends with her.
be friends with her, being neutral or whatsoever. Macam okay, okay je kawannya. Siapa lah salah dengan kami. So why would I be like
Upset. Why would I not be friends with her?
Why would I not be friends with her? Sedangkan dia apa salah dengan kami. But you know, deep down, Nadia knows that I don't like her because of what she did to me. And Nadia is my best friend. Kira best friend lah macam
We're the closest in the friendship lah.
Closest lah. So that is my limit lah. So macam okay, if kau tahu aku si kawannya, then kau janganlah rapat. Macam kau tahu apanya pola dengan aku.
Someone yang being neutral lah.
I don't like neutral.
Okay.
I don't like it when orang ya, but ni still berkawan. Macam if kami orang ya, you never gonna see me
Be friends
close
with them.
with them.
Not even
Jalan
close.
sama kah, tegur okay. Kita akan putuskan silaturahim, but tegur okay, but kau akan anggap aku keluar dengannya. Nya kelakar about that person dengan kita, and then kita talk shit about yang ada person nya akan pada jawab dengan ada person. Mustahil benda ya actually.
Betul.
Kan?
I feel like someone that is contoh like someone that shit talk about your friend, tapi they're still friends with them. You can't trust that person.
I have a lot of things that actually triggers kami on.
Oh really?
Lu simok lah dia berkawan dengan aku kalau kelaknya tahu. It's like toxic.
No, I don't think it's toxic. I think it's fair. Don't feel that way. It's just a matter of your peace. If it makes you feel macam tenang na hidup aku tak. My breaking point in friendship, relationship.
Lying lah.
Macam turn off lah sih.
Like if macam someone wala kita rasa macam uncomfortable, would you tell them, like would you confront them?
I don't think I will feel uncomfortable.
Ya kok? Constant reassurance. And after that case, pola kami jadi makin senang nak takut.
Okay, tapi contoh lah. Kan I said like I'm not the type person yang text. I'm the type person yang jumpa. Let's say like we see jumpa like in a week we see jumpa like one time. Would you
Okay je.
Okay.
Sebenarnya okay je. It's just that as long as I know that you're still okay with me.
Yeah, I
faham sih. Yang macam
little check in would be
little check in will be macam are you okay?
Are you okay?
Is it too much?
No, not at all. It's cute.
To me lah, macam I felt like it's too much. Annoyed.
No, I think maybe some people, but like me, no lah. I would text you too. I would check in on you.
You know that day waktu Nadia texted me, Haya, waktu dia nak jumpa, sumpah I nangis malamnya. Sumpah I nangis. because Chun waktu kita text ya, I was at my lowest point.
Oh yeah, you did tell me. Yeah,
I tell her that was like my lowest point. Dia literally datang
at the right
at
time.
the right time. Macam masa si selesa ke
Yeah,
apa.
Mami pun cik dah selesai.
Macam I need to shut myself and then be macam memang bagus. Ya adalah. So you
don't have to act a certain way lah.
kami perlu,
Bukan kita yang meninggalkan sebenarnya.
kami still rasa bukan no I mean like kami still, I'm not saying berjaga-jaga, but I'm still
Behave lah.
behave around you.
faham.
Nampak kan?
Actually kami pun behave tau. Sebab okay, I'm not saying kelak kita nanggal lah.
Kita akan go with the flow. Nya akan tiba-tiba keluar.
Nya akan tiba-tiba keluar.
Nya second. And some people think it might be an
Sekali sumpah aku dengan Dr. Nur Hisam.
sebab macam Mina dengan Yana kadang-kadang kami asal memangnya.
Faham.
Mesti lah nya macam
No, I understand.
si faham si kita
Lain.
as in like in uni mas. Like macam I want to be
you want me. Macam cari me. If you want
macam-
anything, you cari me.
macam I want to be,
Person yang you cari.
kami si mau jadi useless in friendship. Macam I'm very grateful that I met Nadia as a friend who knows a permanent person in my life. Macam contoh macam because she came at the right time and she always check up on she check up on me at the right time. So macam could be she's the sister that I always wanted actually. Betul sih. Macam she's the sister that okay, I have friends, but I you know we need a friend yang macam
like a duo, you know.
yang macam siblings. Macam okay, if apa-apa macam contoh macam relationship ke apa ke, kita akan go to them.
Yeah.
Macam yalah, yang macam bukan, it's not a group but a
Duo.
Tapi kadang rasa macam takut annoyed nak.
Yeah, but it's never like that lah. To me, like I want you to know that it's never like that. I never feel that way towards anyone lah. Not a single cell in me yang macam like I feel this way towards this person. Macam a bad thing. I just find reasons like macam like a good reason lah. Is it a bad thing?
No. It's not a bad thing. It's just that I want to
to-
see the good in people. I was like not trained lah, but I was like taught to always be cautious.
Faham. Jaga-jaga lah.
I
Tapi that's a
always-
good thing also.
So kadang-kadang kita sih tahu
Intention orang macam ni.
macam mau kawan kita menakal just I really want some like a friend yang macam boleh follow TikTok together, boleh follow podcast together. Macam ya. Is it like too much?
No, it's not too much. I get what you mean. Sebab I used to not have friends yang macam ya. Faham sih?
But now you ada lah.
Ada. And you're one of them. Macam podcast like this, there's not a single friend yang I ada.
Ping macam tu.
Ramai pun suka.
Suka kakak kosong tapi macam bila ping macam tu kita learn each other macam
Yeah,
memang
yeah,
macam kita
yeah.
learn apa yang pola orangnya si okay, apa yang
Yeah.
pola orangnya okay.
Mm-mm.
But I think could be I am the problem.
What do you mean?
Like could be bila sebenarnya could be kami yang macam
Okay.
too much ya macam lah.
Okay, bagi me I don't think that way. Tapi if kadang-kadang orang macam you can't really see while you're in that friendship. You have to macam that breakup is a need for you to macam set back and macam you know take time
Slowly lah.
slowly.
I have a lot of like friendship breakup that makes me rasa macam
I don't think that way.
dia macam bila people like macam confront me and tell me that you're not too much, it makes me rasa macam okay, the love that I give to si sakit ka do.
Tapi macam better. Tapi I guess like macam this is what my friends say lah. Yang kami jenis I don't post a lot. So like every hangout like I don't post. Macam kadang-kadang je lah. So macam they're kind of like label me as a private person. I am in certain way. Tapi
when it comes to posting posting memang kadang-kadang kita akan rasa macam there's not everything to be need to be posted. Not everything has to be documented. But macam contoh macam like a vlog macam that is like okay kan?
Yeah.
A vlog is like okay.
Yeah.
Not macam pictures kah.
Pictures.
Semuanya tu si lalik pun kau dah post gambar aku kasih dah, tapi once in a while ada lah tu saya dah kan.
Saya dah terus.
Tapi macam
Adalah.
but okay je lah.
Okay je, right?
Nak ada orang macam label you as a
Which I don't mind people label me as anything, tapi macamnya pola make realize lah I'm that way. Like I'm that way.
I thought we were like polar opposite. Macam polar opposite yang macam like
Kita selalu
kami jenis yang selalu post and then you not. But in my private account, sumpah kami yang selalu post.
private account.
Post selalu.
Si-
Oh, main
Dapat
dapat kira dalam sebulan yang muna ada nanggap movie, ayalah tak nanggap may post.
Oh.
Ada movie ka, ada event ka, ayah may post. Macam event Aifah ya, may nanggap NDT kami post everyday videonya.
Yang ambil 3 bulan sekali. Buat tak anggap make post. Yes, ada birthday orang. Ya je lah. Biar account IG make private. Because I feel like when account IG make public now, I feel so pressured.
Macam sentiasa
I
have
need
to
to post.
macam
If my main account, I don't accept semua orang. Even orang yang make kenal and then yang request me, I don't accept that person unless I want that person in.
You know Haria waktunya minta account IG kami, nak sumpah kami suka. Sumpah kami macam waktu kita nak yang minta macam jawab macam oh shit. Sumpah lah macam mana. Sometimes orang yang jarang ada dengan kita ialah pemenang.
Yeah.
Sumpah mek dulu memang sih pernah kelakar and then kini tu buat kami orang macam start to talk.
Kelakar.
Ha.
Because like imagine like knowing each other for like 2 years now.
2 years and a half lah. 2 years and a half.
And only being friends
Now. Ya pun tu dah nak habis lah.
Dah nak habis. So
So dah hujung sem.
Yeah.
Baru kami orang ada keluar. Today is the first day kami dua keluar mall. Only the both of us. How? Social media lah. Apa tu?
One thing you learn from your friendship, ex friendship yang
People could go. Even though that thing is like very beautiful, macam kita rasa macam benda yang akan permanent, it's not. Nya hanyalah pinjaman. Kita si perlu ubah kita pun orang yang akan terima kita seadanya if they really want us to be in their life. Tu sih. Nya macam gini-gini pun kita pola. Bukanlah maksudnya macam not a bad thing lah Like kita olahan kita macam ni gila macam ni kabisin macam ni pun mun orang yang terima kita si akan rasa macam pressure untuk tukar diri kita. Tu sih.
If me, that friendship just now, I learned like the standard of friendship. Macam I learned that that's how a friend should be like. Macam and then I learned like macam ada je orang baik dalam dunia macam you know, she's a really good person. And then like okay lah,
sayang gila dengan
sayang like my whole family knows her. Like macam I genuinely like macam happy if keluar dengan around her keluarganya. She's always up to it, you know. Macam if I want to go here, jom. Macam jom. That type of friend. And then if you guys want to know like I'll get macam I get like my flowers semua dari niya first. Semua dari, it's never from
any guy.
And my handwritten letter, everything she.
Sumpah lah yang macam faham sih kita macam that friendship is like, that's why I said friendship very kacak. Like the friendship is like very tak ada apa-apa salah pun, tak ada apa-apa yang berlaku pun, but
it ended just
like that.
Okay, you get the closure lah basically kan.
I get the closure. Because honestly lah, she didn't text me for 3 months.
Oh really? Oh yeah, you did tell me.
After my birthday, nang sedap pagi, tiba-tiba dia just
gone.
I cried for a week because of that. I cried for a week and then I met Nadia. Nadia.
Censored. Pandai tak?
Maybe. Dia ngajak kami macam okay. So aku akan macam Tuhan akan buat macam okay, kali tu aku akan buat kau orang yang benar-benar sayang kau and give you the energy that you needed and yang akan give you the love that you pour to them. Macam ni lah. knows kan? Sebenarnya kita nanggak in the future macam ya.
Yeah.
Ha.
You can't really macam
Kita siapa kini-kini. Benda
cannot.
benda siapa dipaksa. Benda yang akan datang. Macam tu macam randomly keluar
Randomly.
tiba-tiba ni macam ya. Saya dah plan pun sebenarnya tu
Dah.
cuma pergi Baitul Mal je lah
Ya,
sebenarnya. And then
sepatutnya. Tapi macam
kan macam and then see even dah macam tu pun kita pasan yang kita dah spend how many hours
how
together.
many hours already?
It's like very lama. So macam actually yang supposedly macam I thought dulu macam okay mungkin Nadia akan jadi kawan kami untuk pergi gym. But tiba-tiba yang macam lain as in like macam okay Nadia is gonna be a biggest like a big part in my life macam ya.
Okay. I don't know if I should. What are your thoughts on like macam someone that has like a pass?
Okay je.
Okay je, right?
I don't know why. Because I have a past.
Okay.
That's what I said.
Mm-mm.
Dia macam that's what I said. What did I say? Dia macam what did I say? Terima je.
Okay.
Because sometimes kita tahu orang yang ada past because of apa.
Oh, apa?
So kita terima je.
Uh-uh.
Sumpah Fik terima je.
Yeah. That's so cute.
So-
God, that's so cute.
So
So
sometimes that's what yalah.
that's what you think. I also macam rasa
Tiba-tiba macam berpidato. Macam kita tahu what
Orang-
they go through
Yeah,
actually. Macam kan
actually I feel so
benar rasa kesian nak. Dia bukan kesiannya macam okay, kadang-kadang kita tahu what they went through actually sebenarnya. So kita macam terima je lah. Macam learn them
macam I feel like okay, I feel the need to take care of someone.
I think that's how Fik felt about me.
Really, that's so cute.
Because when people akan jadi fragile dengan kita, that's mean they really put their trust on you sebenarnya.
I think I feel the need to take care of someone.
Tapi it's not the need actually, it's your heart.
Like I want to take care of you.
Macam okay, I'm gonna take care of this person
Yeah.
because they need it. They need the love.
They need the love.
They need the love.
love.
So kita akan stay tune pasal relationship next week, okay?
Sebab aku macam nak continue lagi ke?
Yeah. Tu kan nak edit je kata ni.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys.
Thank
See you
for
in
listening to us.
apa nama episod kita teh? Yapping with Nat and Nat. See again soon next
Okay,
week.
see you guys
See you guys in the
next
next episode. Okay.
See you guys in the next.
So thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening. See you guys on the
Again,
next.
next episode. Bye.